Hey Shabazz staff, it's Rachel. I wanted to show you how you could go about recording in Zoom, just in case you don't know how to do it. So this is a MMSD guideline that they want everyone to record their Zoom so students can make it, they can still access content. So you'll see, you probably remember what Zoom looks like, but at the bottom there's the record button. So if you click on it, it'll say record on this computer or record to the cloud. If you have your district machine, I would say record on the computer. It'll be easier to find your recording. So go ahead and hit record. If anyone has their cameras off, it actually will censor their name. So if students are worried about being on camera or showing up with their name on the Zoom, you can kind of preview. You'll show up as just a person icon. So you can see it's recording in the top left here. And then if I hit the stop button, which is the full square, it says it will be converted to a file when the meeting ends. So when I go ahead and end this meeting, it's going to drop. You'll see this window open up, which says converting the meeting recording. And then it will show you where it saves. Often it saves into your documents or your desktop, and then the video is right there. So you can grab that and post it to the classroom. Hopefully that was helpful.